Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Ford Focus SE hatchback, stock number E1705P. Only 34,000 miles and this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, shadow black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seats, fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera and rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Pages with driver information system. Again, only 34,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And as of course where the backup camera displays. Heating and air conditioning. USB allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 27 miles to the gallon and a city average of 39 on the highway. All that with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Focus, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.